Since reflective signs are required in a lot of public spaces, and 63mm signs are the most common, these reflective engineer-grade 63mm signs are everywhere. Let's take a closer look. 63mm aluminum is 1.6 millimeters thick, just thicker than a US quarter. This heavy-duty material is incredibly strong. It can't be bent like some of our competitors' flimsier signs. This is a side-by-side comparison of an 80mm sign and a 63. 63mm is the national standard for 12x18 parking signs, and is specified by virtually all the national, state, and municipal sign standards. Sturdy enough to last for years, and much more cost-effective. It's recommended to upgrade to 80mm for larger signs. All our fade-resistant inks and reflective films are provided by the 3M company, by far the leader in the industry. And we screen print our signs. This is the best method for high-quality images and long life. Screen printing involves attaching a stencil to a screen, flooding that screen with ink, and then running over the surface with a squeegee. It only takes one application per color to make signs look crisp and clean. From there, they're sent by conveyor belt to a dryer, packed up, and shipped off. Our competitor signs are often not made up to our high standards. Typical inkjet printed signs like this one only last 2 or 3 years outdoors, if you're lucky. Those red inks in particular fade quickly. Here's a video of a popular competitor sign we found on the street after a rough winter. The ink is practically falling off the sign. But the more important difference from our competitors is that all of our signs are laminated, which extends the life of the sign by years. You'll see in this example that our sign on the left, which is laminated, resists scratching. The competitor's non-laminated sign on the right just can't compete. The lamination also protects the sign from wind and water, splashes of chemicals, and makes them much easier to keep clean. For instance, what happens if someone sprays graffiti on your sign? If you use standard graffiti remover on a sign that's not laminated, like this competitor sign, it's going to take everything off. You won't have that problem with our signs. The lamination protects the sign. There are 3 grades of reflectivity. These signs are engineer grade, which is the standard grade, the most common in the US. The next step up is high intensity, which offers better reflectivity, especially from an angle. And top of the line is diamond grade, which is the best choice for places with lots of visual distractions, like a busy city street. Even the smallest details are important to us. Every sign has rounded corners, which are safer for use than square corners. Signs also have pre-drilled holes that are cleared, so you can easily attach them to a post, a fence, a wall, or a door. When you buy from us, you're getting the same signs bought by hundreds of city and state governments all across the US. And they're made in America. Our signs are guaranteed to last 10 years, indoors or out, though they generally last much longer than that.